Hi guys, this is Jennifer Dolander with the Dolander Learning Foundation and OGDyslexiaTutoring.com. I am so excited to once again start the Dolander Learning Foundation Comprehensive Reading Program. This is where I really encompass everything that I do into one 6-month program. We will meet twice a week on video, so you do it at your convenience. If you have soccer practice, if you have violin lessons, you do it when it's convenient for you and your child. So it's twice a week, and then we have a parent powwow once a week. This is where you ask me any questions that come up during the week. I can help you work through some strategies that may work for you. And so this is a great live interactive conversation that we have once a week regarding the video tutorials that you have already done. So again, it's a money-back guarantee. So this is no risk to you, and we are so excited to bring this comprehensive program to you. This is going to be broken down into 5 units. The first 2 units are ones that are also sold separately. The first unit is the Phonemic Awareness unit. This is where everything is auditory. It's what you hear. This is your ground level. If you don't have this, it's hard to build upon reading. You've got to make sure they are hearing the right thing. So that is unit number 1. Unit number 2 is the Alphabetic Principal. Unit number 3, we get into more of the spelling rules and really tie in everything we've learned from those first 2 units. Unit number 4 is where we really pull in all of those strategies. Remember, we are building on what we have already been taught. So everything we learn each unit is building on the previous unit. Unit number 4 is we really get into those multisensory comprehension strategies. We talk about fluency and how your reading sounds. And then the 5th unit is a wrap-up. This is where we practice everything that has been taught the previous units. It takes about 6 months to get through this program, and it is twice a week. We require that an adult be present during the tutorials. Kind of sit away from the child. They have their reading notebook, and this is talked about in detail. So you are building a reading notebook that essentially is going to be like a reading textbook for your child when you're finished. So it's a great resource. If they have, in a year and a half from now, if they're having an issue with a certain spelling rule, you can take out this notebook, look it up, and review it with them. So it really empowers you as the parent, and it empowers the child because they're going to be able to review everything that we do during these lessons. This is affordable, it's convenient, and it's effective. These lessons work. I've seen it time and time and time again through my years of tutoring, and I'm so excited to bring it to all of you. If you have any questions, please email me. I promise I'll get back to you, and I look forward to working with you and your child. Go out and have a great day.